Hi everyone, I am Kaushik Das. Welcome to my YouTube channel. After a long time, I am doing a video on statistic. In this video, we are going to learn coefficient of correlation by using Karl Pearson product moment method. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So, let's start from coefficient of correlation. The correlation coefficient is a statistical measure of the strength of the relationship between the relative movement of two variables. The values range between minus 1.0 and 1.0. A calculated number greater than 1.0 or less than minus 1.0 means that there was an error in the correlation measurement. Okay, so let's concept of Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation. The Karl Pearson product moment method correlation coefficient, or simply the Pearson correlation coefficient, is a measure of the strength of a linear association between two variables and is denoted by R. This method of correlation attempts to draw a line of best of fit through the data of two variables, and the value of the Pearson correlation coefficient R indicate how far away all these data points are to this line of best fit. Okay, next we are going to discuss the formula of product moment method. If we want to calculate coefficient of correlation between two variables by using product moment method, then we can use this formula. Okay. In the next part of the presentation, I will try to cover the whole thing through a math exercise. There are total 10 students A to Z, and score of two subject. So score in English, the students score in English is 30, 34, 35, 36, 39, 39, 40, 40, 42 and 46. And next হচ্ছে math, score in math or Y. So score in math 72, 70, 36, 80, 73, 79, 76, 83, 85 and 81. Next we square the score in English. So 30 square 900, 34 is 1156, next 1225, next 1296 and continue. Okay. Then the next step is y square. So 72 square 5184, 70 square 4900 and continue. Okay, in our next step we can calculate the xy. Score in English into score in math. Okay. So 30 into 72 is 2160, 34 into 70 2380, 35 into 36 1260, 36 and 80 2880 and continue. Okay. Now our table is ready. Now we can summation the all things. Summation means summation represent the plus symbol. Then we can calculate the score in English. The score in English total 381, y 735, x square 14,699, y square 55,801 and xy 28,264. Now our table is ready. In our next step, we can calculate the R between two variables. The formula is here. So R equal to n, total number of students is 10, into summation xy হচ্ছে গিয়ে 28,264 আর minus summation x 381 আর summation y হচ্ছে 735 by root over n 10 into summation x square is 14,699 minus 381 whole square into 10 into 55,801 minus 735 whole square. Okay, so R equal to 10 into 28264 equal to 282640 minus 381 into 735 equal to 280035 by 10 into 14699 is 146990 minus 381 whole square is 145161 into 10 into 55801 equal to 558010. 735 whole square is 540225. Next, R equal to 282640 minus 280035 is 2605. Then 146990 minus 145161 is 1829, and 558010 minus 540225 is 17785. Okay, then R equal to 2605 by root over 1829 into 17785 is 5703.39. So R is 0.45 and coefficient of correlation between two variables is 0.45 is the answer. So dear students, in this video I have tried to calculate the coefficient of correlation by using Carl Pearson product moment method. I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoy the watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.